So we're going to have a really quick walkthrough of assignment 3, supporting a safe learning environment and promoting respect for others. So the 2 criteria: explain ways to support a safe working environment and explain why it's important to promote appropriate behaviour and respect for others. Now we do have a template, but it's very basic. So if we open the template now, as you can see, it's just some boxes to fill in. And you've got your Harvard referencing box down the bottom. Now, explain ways to maintain a safe and supportive learning environment at Activate Learning. We could talk about our behaviour policies as an organisation, or externally as an organisation. What are the behaviour policies? Are there disciplinary policies? Are there risk assessments that must be done? Is there PEE gear that must be worn in the classroom? You can talk about online safety and safeguarding. You can also talk about ground rules. That's creating a safe environment. If you're referring back to them, you're creating a safe, supportive place in the classroom. So how do we create that supportive place in the classroom? And that really, some of it will cross over into 2.2, which is why is it important to promote appropriate behaviour and respect for others. So we can then talk about our ground rules again, our introductions and our icebreakers, and why we do them, because then that will help us to explain why we need to promote appropriate behaviour and respect for others. Okay, you can talk about student safety and the confidence that they need to be able to learn in the classroom. You've got to be comfortable. In this, you can refer back to the videos at the end of the part 3, where you have teachers saying why they feel it's important to promote appropriate behaviour, and all of those teachers have really valid points as to why they want behaviour and respect in their classroom. You have the same other links as usual, so you've got Harvard referencing, and you do have a past assessment. Now this had a few reworks, you can see from the teacher feedback, but they did pass it eventually, so it may be worth giving that a read. I think you could probably add a bit more detail. And if you really want to stretch and challenge yourself, there's always a prize for the best stretch and challenge task. So here's a Canva. Canva is an easy graphic design tool. It's really easy. You drag the pictures, the images, the colors, and the text you want from the left of the screen, and you put it across to the right. So we can see in this video here, you select what you want from the left-hand side and you drag it onto your page on the right. Now, the best thing about an infographic is you can use less words. So they're really useful to share information. It's a great way to give information to your students, or to get your students to give information to you as an assessment. So maybe try Canva out. It's really nice to use. If you've got any more questions, please do just fill in a feedback form. Thank you.